Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to reset the oil change indicator light in a 2006 Ford F-150. Procedures will be similar for most F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, but if your truck has differing features from our example, it may be best to consult your owner's manual for the appropriate reset procedure. If you've changed your oil but aren't sure how to reset the maintenance light, here's what you'll do. Turn your key in the ignition to the on position without starting the truck. Press the Select Reset button at the bottom of your speedometer until the display reads Hold Reset for Setup menu. Press and hold the Select Reset button until you see the oil life percentage on display. Press and hold Select Reset again until the oil life percentage reads 100%. If you hold it too long and the percentage starts to drop, continue holding the button until it cycles back to 100%. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.